designed to raise awareness and enhance understanding of IPR, a domain that plays a critical role in today's innovation-driven world. In a time when ideas are as valuable as physical assets, knowing how to protect and manage intellectual property is not just beneficial, but it's essential. The workshop aims to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application by highlighting real-world case studies, legal procedures, filing processes, and the economic importance of IPR protection. We are privileged to have experts from RTNIIPM, a premier institute under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, who bring with them vast experience and deep insight. Their guidance will help us understand not only the fundamentals of IPR, but also its relevance to students, startups, entrepreneurs, and researchers alike. We hope this workshop will ignite a spirit of creativity, awareness, and responsibility towards protecting intellectual contributions and will serve as a stepping stone toward building a more informed and IP-conscious society. Once again, on behalf of St. Mary's Centenary College of Management, I warmly welcome all our resource persons, guests, faculty, students, and participants. Let's make the most of this learning opportunity together. I now request Professor A.J. Praveen Kumar, Principal St. Mary's Centenary College of Management, to give us a brief about the institution.
Good morning, esteemed guests and the college management, the faculty and the students. Once again, thank you for your welcome words by Preeti Madam Ji, Associate Professor of St. Mary's Centenary College of Management. The college is Centenary College of Management located in Secunderabad, Telangana, was established September 2023, managed by Hyderabad Archdiocese Educational Society under the leadership Reverend Father Dr. Vinay Antonigar. So within a shorter span, it has earned a reputation as one of the top B school in Telangana region. The institution is approved by AICT and affiliated with Usmania University. Recognized under Section 2F by University Grants Commission, New Delhi. It holds ISO certification for quality education and infrastructure. Campus and infrastructure. St. Mary's boasts a modern campus with state-of-art facilities. Spacious classrooms equipped with smart boards, well-maintained computer labs with latest software and hardware. An excellent seminar hall with seating capacity of 500 people. Wi-Fi enabled campus and digital learning tools. The college follows structured academic curriculum as per Usmania University guidelines. Achieved 100% results in second year examinations. Academic activities are also conducted as per university standards. Students actively participated, excel in national level academic and co-curricular competitions. Regular international conferences, seminars, workshops, and guest lectures. Industrial visits organized by the college to bridge the gap between academia and industry. Marian career development programs, including campus recruitment training, soft skills, workshops, and mock interviews are conducted. Many students have secured internships and final placements in top MNCs. A variety of clubs and committees dedicated to student growth and leadership development. celebrations of national and cultural festivals that promote unity and diversity. Active participation in national service scheme activities, fostering community involvement. That is nothing, not me, but you motto. Multiple memorandum of associations with leading industries and corporate partners for internships, training, and placements. Awards are received from various inter-college competitions like with Usmania University and other deemed universities in Telangana state and other states. Strong industry interface ensures job readiness and skill enhancement for students. St. Mary's Centenary College of Management is committed to nurturing future business leaders through a blended academic consistency, practical exposure, and holistic development. With a strong foundation and continued focus on excellency, the college is self-confident to become a leading management institution in India. So once again, thank you so much under the leadership of Dr. Reverend Father Anthony Vinay. He is the director of our college. Extremely, he is focusing on to bring this topmost business school in India. Thank you for his constant support to the faculty and to the management. And on behalf of the college management and the staff and students, we are very thankful to central government officials and down to the line for this giving a good opportunity to our college. Once again, thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for the report. I now request our director, Reverend Father Dr. P. Anthony Vinay, to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. So first of all, I extend a hearty welcome to all our distinguished resource persons from RG and IPM, esteemed faculty members, dear students, and all the participants who have gathered here on this online platform. We are truly honored to collaborate, especially with RG and IPM, a premier institute under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, dedicated to advancing awareness, training, and capacity building in the field of intellectual property rights. Their presence here signifies the growing relevance of IPR education across all the sectors of society, including academia. As an academic institution, we are deeply committed to fostering innovation, creativity, and original thinking among our students as well as the faculty. I strongly encourage all our participants in today's event to take full advantage of the sessions, to engage actively, and to observe the valuable insights shared by our experts. Let this workshop be a reminder that our ideas have value and that we must be ready to recognize, protect, and nurture them. Once again, I thank the RGNIIPM, the team, for their collaboration, and also I thank all the organizers, our staff, Professor Praveen, Dr. Preeti Priscilla, Dr. Srivan, and all the other faculty, the students who are organizing this wonderful program today. And I wish the workshop a great success. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Father, for the words of encouragement. I now request Mrs. B. Anusha Ruth to introduce today's resource person.
Good morning, everyone. It is my honor to introduce our resource person for today. Dr. Bharat N. Suryavanshi is a seasoned professional in the field of intellectual property rights with over 20 years of experience in the central government, working under the Patent Office, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Currently serving as Assistant Controller of Patents and Designs at Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. He plays a quite key role in educating and guiding inventors, researchers, and students across India on IPR, patent filing, and design protection. A dynamic and insightful resource person, Dr. Suryavanshi has delivered numerous lectures and workshops nationwide, making complex IPR topics accessible to diverse audiences. He emphasizes that creativity and innovation are universal and not confined to any particular academic degree, encouraging individuals from all walks of life to think innovatively and protect their creation. His academic credentials are equally impressive. He holds a PhD from Swami Ramananda Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded. Dr. Suryavanshi has also represented India at an international training program on IPR and patent examination in Tokyo, Japan, and has participated in several judicial, national, and international forums on IPR practices. He has published multiple research papers in national and international journals and continues to contribute actively to the field. Notably, Dr. Suryavanshi was responsible for a landmark decision in India by rejecting a patent application filed by Pfizer for an arthritis drug, reinforcing the importance of stringent and ethical patent examination standards. With a rare blend of scientific depth, legal acumen, and public outreach, Dr. Bharat N. Suryavanshi stands as a leading advocate for innovation, education, and integrity in the realm of intellectual property rights. On behalf of St. Mary's Centenary College of Management, we welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much, Anisha ma'am, for the introduction of our resource person. I now hand over this time to Dr. Bharat N. Suryavanshi, Assistant Controller of Patents and Design, RGNIIPM, to continue with the session.
In the business method in India, the idea to write the book is arising from your mind. That's called intellectual. Or you're developing a system for doing the business. System which having combination of hardware and software. You're developing that. So the idea to develop that is again arising from your mind. Therefore, the product of mind is called intellectual property. Or somebody is giving new technologies. So idea to bring the technology again arises from your mind. Therefore, you can say the product of mind is called intellectual property. For example, in December 2019, we heard about the coronavirus. At that time, we are not having any treatment method for the corona. Therefore, scientists all over the world started to carry out the research and they studied what is coronavirus, what's their molecular structure. And in the middle of 2020, we got Covaxin, Covishield, Sputnik. What is that? Somebody thought on the problem, they are given solution for that. That's again great technology or invention. Because you are thinking, that is product of your mind. I'll quote another simple example. You know, at present, petrol and diesel, the poem, what you written is an intellectual property because arises from your mind, you can file the copyright for that. So simply I can say the product of human creation or the intellectual property that arises from human mind is again something intellectual and we can claim as an intellectual property. For example, see, there was a problem for the blind people since how long? Many years, but no one thought public problem. So not Puma, Adidas, Bata. They involved in the manufacture of shoes, but they never thought. One of the Austrian company has brought smart shoes. Why? Blind people cannot walk easily on the road. With the stick, they can put few, again they have to put the stick, again they have to put and they have to walk. It's very problematic to them. So by making use of ultrasonic sensor, they have made this, they can detect the obstacles up to 4 meters away. What is this? Great invention for the technology. There is a problem, somebody is giving a solution to that. Again, it's an invention of technology. Somebody thought. Tree climbing machine. washing machine, fridge, TV are the examples of invention and technology because somebody first time brought. We know aeroplane, who has brought? Right, brother, we know invented, first time brought technology, invented. Let us see what is the background of intellectual property. Property means your mind directly thinks, goes to the tangible form of property and you say, I'm having car, gold, flat at Hyderabad, even land in Secunderabad. So I'm rich enough. But there's another kind of intellectual property which we cannot touch. That is creations of your mind. That's called intellectual property. In that we are having patents, trademark, designs, GI, layout of circuit, protection of plant varieties, even trade secret, other different IPs. Let us see one by one. I told you IP means product of mind, but how to define that? Intangible creations of whom? Human intellect. You are creating. You are the intelligent animal. You are having power of thinking. Therefore, you went to Chandrayaan. You have invented many machines. You have invented what not we are doing. Therefore, it is a commercial value, asset like any other form of property. I told you biodiesel. If anyone among you or anyone is developing that, then any company can come to you like HP, Reliance or Bharat and they can take license from you and you're getting money out of that. Therefore, it's an asset like any other form. IP is called as an exclusive right. For example, somebody is filing patent from what is patent? Exclusive monopoly privilege or right granted by the government. To whom? Patentee. Now, who is patentee here? The person who is applying for the patent. Means we can say applicant is a patentee because he's getting patent for that. 20 years from the date of filing or priority to keep and file record for commercial gain when you are disclosing everything clearly, then you are getting right. Otherwise, no. What is fully, particularly, clearly? What is that? Means you have to disclose everything. For example, we are developing an attendance system. Is a business method. Means system is an punching your attendance, no need to sign. So we have to write what is software you use, what is hardware, how it works, what is the drawing, all you have to write in detail. How it works also, functional feature also, technical feature also. Therefore, if you are writing all details, the simple example is sharpener. When I was in the 1980s in the Karnataka, Bidar district, one small village, I was not knowing sharpener. We used to use the blade for sharpening the pencil, but now our children are using this sharpener. What is this? Somebody brought the technology and they are not given the term sharpener. They are used the word tool, means something big machine like CNC. A tool for sharpening a pencil, writing point by saying its own service. Because patent is a techno-legal document. If you're developing any business method system, you have to describe in terms of technical plus legal, because you have to get protection in the not only our country, even in the foreign, if it is new things. So we know in the school level you are studying who has invented this. We know who has invented this. We know who has invented this. From this example, I want to convey one message to you all. Therefore, please guide me to understand this invention. You can put in the message chat box or you can unmute yourself and you can guide me. Can anyone tell me this device was in the public domain since 1876? When British were ruling our country, they used to speak by using this telephone even in the foreign countries. Even though someone thought or our scientific community thought of giving the mobile phone. What was necessary? Why they thought to give the mobile phone and they brought mobile also? Why? Anyone? You can put in the chat box or you can unmute and guide me. Why someone thought to bring the mobile phone? You can put message in the chat box if you are in the join with your own system. Because this device is having some disadvantage that I cannot change this device. Novel, inventive, and capable of additional applications. See, front facing camera. Pehle nahi tha, now we are having. You are taking selfie always. What is this invention technology? US people got the patent for this. Again, I told you, method and apparatus for authenticating biometric scanner. It is software, commons hardware, so they got patent. It is 20 number is US patent. You can read detail how it is, how they are written, what they are written on. So, simple clip is an example of invention. Shoes, Michael Johnson's example of invention. Now, you tell me, Telangana is too hot. If you go to Sedam side and the border of that Telangana side, or even Sikarama, Bidar, Karnataka, it's very hot. So what you are doing, you are taking umbrella and walking. Even you are feeling the hot, you may attach small fan to that. Is it invention? No. It's a mere jugaad to solve problems, mere arrangement of known devices. But I am having some electronics knowledge, some computer knowledge. So combining that, I am developing cooling cap. So what is the technical feature of the cooling cap? You can check in the one of the Andhra Pradesh Engineering College has filed the patent for cooling. You can see different kind of things. See, syringe, ampoules, capsules, all that. You can take paracetamol round in nature, no design. Textile design, curtain design, bedsheet designs, earrings, bangles, all the designs are different. Your office bag, college, wallet, comb, water bottles, Aquaguard, Aquafine, Sunrich, Coca-Cola, Mazda, Sprite. Since how long you are drinking, but till today you have never thought why the design is like this. You are being MBA people or business people. You should know because you may work for some company or you may have some company. You should know your product is got design or not. If technology new, you got patent or not. The manual or instruction you got copyright or not. All you have to study for that. For example, somebody is getting campus selection in the Bajaj Finance. So you should know what the facility we can get copyright protection. If Bajaj production of the TVs or some other productions, vehicle productions, they got design or not. Technology product got. We should aware of IPR. It's very essential to know IPR for all the fields. See, all this something different. See all this. All the designs are different. Let us see another kind of intellectual property, geographical indication, GI tag tools. Can anyone tell me what is famous GI tag in Andhra Pradesh? What they got for? Now we can say Telangana is divided, so Telangana I cannot take. And what is the special?
Hyderabad biryani, sir.
You got the GI for that?
I think so, sir.
Okay, you can check and let me know at the end of session. Again, Tirupati Laddu got the GI tags because something special in their area. We cannot produce everywhere. So GI means place name, used to identify source of origin, quality, reputation, or other kinds of products like Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk sari, Kolhapuri chappal, Agra petha, Nagpur oranges. It may be agricultural, natural, artificial, human-made, whatever may be. If it is something new, special, you can claim for that. Patent, design, trademark, anyone can claim, but in GI, group of people who involved in the particular business, they can. Individually, we cannot claim. See the examples you can read. You can see the examples. You can see the examples again in the products. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called copyright. Copyright is a bundle of rights. It restricts unauthorized copying and reproduction of an original expression, literary work, movie, music, painting, and software. The term is life of the author plus 60 years. Therefore, many singers are no more, but still you are getting royalty for that. Many authors are no more, but still you are getting royalty for that. Jubi, if you are downloading the song, they will pay. Why? The royalty has to go to them because term is like that. If you are writing books, novel, poem, story, autobiography, or thesis, or any literary works, you can get protection in section 2 of the Act. Artistic work under section 2. Dramatic works under section 2H. Musical works under section 2B. Which IP it falls? Shayad you are not getting to me.
Brand name can be a trademark.
Yes, very good. Formulation,
The
I told
process
you,
can be a patent.
very good. Process can be patent. And what is inside that bottle? The formulation we don't know. So what we call it as a trade secret.
Trade secret.
Yeah. And the design of the bottle is small, increase size, again decrease, again increase. The design of the bottle. The machine from which I'm making the bottle, technology can get patent for that. Single product, they got everything. Therefore, no one can copy the name of Coca-Cola, design of the Coca-Cola, formula of the Coca-Cola, because they are the only player in the market and how much they're earning. First time they came in the market, they were able to sell only 25 bottles. Now, how much market is? It's again business method. So, it's all about the intellectual property rights. Let us see what are the career opportunities for the students who are learning all of the all intellectual property rights. If you want to know more patents, click here, design, trademark, GI, and copyright. If you want to file online, please click here, comprehensive e-filing. Then patent, design, trademark will come. Whatever you want to file, click and proceed for that. For patent filing, e-signature or digitally required for that. Design filing, digital. Trademark filing, digital required. If you want to search whether the technology you are on, put check here public search. Put digital mosquito catching device. Check it is there or not. Herbal medicine cancer, you can check. Or you can go to the Google patent, USO patent, EPO patent, WIPO patent. These are the free database to search your work whether new or not. If you are not satisfied, you can go to the paid database. Get your work search. If it is new, then go for the patent. For copyright filing, no need of any signature. Create your ID and password. Log in that, fill the form 14. Upload the document if you are having software as such, various method as such. In the certificate, if any college want to conduct, they can mail us. So we will be ready for conducting the programs, online or offline.
Thank you so much, sir. That was really a wonderful session. Students, I request all of you to kindly fill the Google form as a feedback and also to get a certificate. Now, I request Mrs. Indira Kumari ma'am to kindly present the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of St. Mary's Centenary College of Management, I take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all those who made today's insightful online workshop on intellectual property rights and patents and design filing a great success. We are deeply honored to have collaborated with the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Government of India, Nagpur. A very special thank to our esteemed resource person, Dr. Bharat N. Suryavanshi, for sharing his immense knowledge and expertise. Your session was not only informative, but also truly inspiring, offering great clarity on an important yet often complex subject. We also extend our sincere thanks to all participants, faculty members, and organizers whose efforts and enthusiasm helped make this workshop engaging and meaningful. Before we conclude, we kindly request all participants to take a few minutes to fill out the feedback form. Your responses are valuable to us and will help us to improve future events. Thank you once again, and we look forward to more such enriching collaborations in the future. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Once again, sir, on behalf of St. Mary's Centenary College of Management, we extend our heartfelt gratitude. Thank you.